Stop buying these things in 2024 if you want to be rich. These tips will help you to save more than $4,000 a year. And no, I'm not going to tell you stop buying coffee every day or new iPhone. There is more non-obvious things you have never thought about. Stop buying OnlyFans. You might say that's very strange since we're talking about financial literacy, but I was shocked to learn that American men spend on average $50 a month on OnlyFans. That's $600 a year. Did you know that most OnlyFans model accounts are managed by agencies, not the girls themselves? When you pay money for an intimate private chat with a girl, keep in mind that it might be a guy from the agency who chat with you, not the girl. That's his job. And that girl lying in a beach with a cocktail, she doesn't even know you exist. Have you ever bought OnlyFans? If yes, how much did you spend? Share in the comments. By the way, I bought one once 4 years ago and spent about $10, but it was my first and last time. Stop giving gifts to your partners. Statistically, men spend on gifts more than a woman. On average, Americans spend $180 on Thanksgiving and Christmas gifts, and $175 on Valentine's Day. On dates, male millennials spend $696 a year. Total $1,151 spent annually on women. I would advise men not to start thinking about relationships until they are 25. Statistically, women find men attractive between 28 and 38 ages. It means that you can think about serious relationships between these ages and spend money on a woman you see as your future wife. Before that, don't let women distract you from building your business and creating your capital. After all, it's better to give gifts to your wife than to those with whom you have a short-term relationship, isn't it? Stop buying alcohol. According to statistics, Americans spend on average $600 on alcohol a year. What does that money buy? Short-term mental confusion and a false sense of fun. And then there is the list of diseases I'm afraid to name. Alcohol literally kills you. If you're saving for early retirement now and you're drinking alcohol, you may not live to retire. I don't drink alcohol and smoking cigarettes at all. If you are too, let's like this video. Let's see how many of us don't drink. Avoid buying seasonal decorations. According to recent research, Americans spend an average of $269 per year on seasonal decorations. Why? There is no need to buy a Christmas tree every year, which is not only harmful to nature but also to your bank account. Buy an artificial tree and you can use it for 5-10 years and put it in the basement after each Christmas. Okay, you can also order decorations for major holidays in advance. All retailers raise the price of decorations before the holiday. One last very important thing that people don't think about. Stop paying for a brand. For example, Starbucks is just as good as any other small coffee shop with the same coffee prices. But people still choose Starbucks because they are familiar with the brand and people are willing to get worse quality coffee for the same price at Starbucks than better quality coffee for the same price at a small coffee shop. It's the same with clothing. American families spend on average of $1,700 a year on name brand clothing. People will buy expensive but not the best quality clothes from a well-known brand rather than cheaper and better quality clothes from a little-known brand. Don't get attached to a brand, it's a trap. Create an internal competition in your mind and choose the best prices with the best quality. Yes, these clothes are harder to find, but I believe it will help you to save me more money. By the way, do you agree with me? Please share your opinion in the comments. So I have listed 5 non-obvious expenses that we don't even think about. And if you think about them and work on them, you can save more than $4,000 a year and make that money work for you. Saved means earned. Follow these tips to get richer in 2024. Do you like this video? If yes, please like this video, follow the channel. There is tons of useful content to help you to achieve your dream about financial freedom. And of course, see you in the next video. Bye bye.